We'll guide you through how to post an Instagram story from a laptop or PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on our computer, and so you want to go and post on your Instagram story. We're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's this full guide, otherwise you may go and miss an important part. So what you want to do is you want to come and use Google Chrome. That's what we're using, so you can follow along step by step. Potentially it could be done in other web browsers. I haven't tested it, but what you can do is go and open up Chrome like so. We've got a guide on how you can go and get it. Now what you want to do is go and search for Instagram. Come to Instagram.com. You need to go and log into your account. I'm already logged in, as you can see, so it saves me that step there. Now, what you need to do is go to the top right of Chrome and find the three dots and go and click there. Go down and find the option for more tools, and you need to go and hover over it. Come over to the left, find the option for developer tools at the bottom, and you want to go and click there. Now, what you need to do is come into this panel here. Don't worry, it's really simple. Just go and click on the device toolbar in the top left where you can see a computer and a phone, and this will open up. And what we then need to do is go and refresh the entire page, so press refresh in the top left. Now what you can do is go to the top right and press on the plus, and we'll see the option for story. Now our file explorer will open up and you can choose this, or what you want to post I should say, press open, and here it is. Now in the top right, you could go and click on the stickers. If you look in the top right, there are some different options you can use, but then when you want to go and post it, what you need to do is come down to the bottom here and you find the option for add to your story. And you want to go and click there. It's now uploading. We'll just go and wait for it to go and complete. And so that's it. Now you've successfully gone and posted it. So if it just goes and stays stuck there after you've got that pop-up, you can always just go and press back like so. And if I go and refresh, you'll go and see we've successfully gone and added onto our story. As you can see, that's it.